Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to set up AT&T Internet Air. So setting up your AT&T Internet Air is quite easy. You just have to start by unboxing your AT&T Internet Air kit and then place your gateway near a window or an open area for the best signals. After that, you need to connect the power adapter to the gateway and you need to plug it into an outlet, and you need to press the power button and wait for the device to boot up. Then you need to open your Wi-Fi settings on your phone, tablet or your computer and select the AT&T Internet Air network name and enter the password found on your device. Now you can even download and install the AT&T app, and from here you can just scan the QR code and you can set it up very easily. Now once you are able to connect your AT&T Internet Air with the application, you need to open the web browser and follow further on-screen instructions in order to activate your service. You may need to sign in with your AT&T account details, so you can just go through these details that are given over here, and this way you will be able to easily activate your AT&T Internet Air. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.